Hello, my name is James, and I'm an engineer here at Dyson in the robot team. In this video, I'd like to spend a couple of minutes providing you some tips and information about how you can get your robot ready to start cleaning. We can go through finding the best spot for your robot's dock, preparing your home for your robot to start cleaning, connecting the robot to the app, and then we can also go through that first robot clean as well. Firstly, let's go through about finding the right spot for your robot's dock. So you want to find somewhere where you can get the robot right against the wall. You then need about 50 centimeters of clear space around that dock. We also recommend avoiding putting it underneath any furniture such as tables or chairs. And it's also worth avoiding anywhere that could be in direct sunlight. In particular, direct sunlight can blind the 360 eye and it can cause problems with the robot's navigation. But once you've found a good spot, that's really good because it means the robot's then in a really good position to successfully navigate back to the dock. You can then also tidy up any loose length of cable by wrapping it around the plug. So now I'd like to go through some tips about how you can prepare your home before your robot starts cleaning. So there can be some really small obstacles, such as phone cables or loose clothing, which the robot's sensors can't detect. And if the robot can't detect it, they're at risk of getting stuck in the robot's brush bar or tank tracks. So it's worth tidying up these obstacles. We also recommend cleaning up any liquid spillages or blocking access to any rooms which may have any water on the floor, such as bathrooms, for example. So now you're ready to connect your robot to the Dyson Link App. Firstly, make sure you've downloaded the app off the App Store, or you can also scan the QR code on the back of the dock and that will send you to the right app. Next, you want to place your robot onto the dock. And then if you look at the Wi-Fi symbol on top of the robot, that should be flashing. When it's flashing, it means it's ready to connect to the app. So then if you get your phone, make sure you have Bluetooth turned on and it's connected to your home Wi-Fi network. And then if you open the Dyson Link app, just follow the instructions on the app itself and that should talk you through how to connect your robot. If you do have any issues with the connection journey, follow the instructions on the app. But one quick tip is just to lift the robot off the dock and put it back on again. So once you've connected your robot to the app, it's worth spending a bit of time exploring the app itself. In particular, if you go to the top right corner, you can find more information here about how to use your robot. There's also lots of content that can help you with any troubleshooting, any issues you have with your robot as well. You can also look at your robot's settings here as well. In that section, you can see a robot's name, its serial number, and you can also see which version of software it's running. A good tip here is to make sure you have auto update turned on. This is because we're always working on new software for your robot which will improve its performance. Before you start your clean, it's worth choosing the right power mode for your home. If you open the Dyson Link app, you'll notice there are actually 3 power modes for you to choose from: quiet, high, and max. The quiet power mode has the lower level of suction on this robot, but it means it uses less power so it can cover larger areas. This is in comparison to the max power mode, which has the highest level of suction, but it's more suitable for smaller areas and deeper cleans. Once you've chosen the right power mode for your home, you can then either start a clean by pressing the play button on the app or by pressing the play button on top of the robot as well. So if you're watching your first robot clean, I want to provide some more tips and information about what it's doing. So you'll see as the robot navigates off the dock, it actually looks around the entire room and it splits the room into a grid. It will then clean each one of those grids one at a time. Within each grid, it will follow a spiral cleaning pattern. We follow this pattern because it's one of the most efficient ways for the robot to navigate your home. Whilst it's cleaning, if it encounters an obstacle which it can see, such as a chair leg, it will carefully navigate around it before continuing that spiral pattern. However, if there's an obstacle which it hasn't been able to see, or perhaps which you've forgotten to tidy up, and it causes the robot to get stuck, you will then get an alert on the app, and also on the screen of the robot itself. If you follow the instructions on the app, that will show you how to resolve the fault. And then we recommend if you place the robot no more than about 1 meter away from where that fault occurred, you can then press play on the robot, and it will continue to clean. If the robot has started to clean from the dock, when it runs out of charge, it will automatically return back to the dock to recharge. And then once it's recharged, it will then continue cleaning from where it left off. However, if you started to clean with the robot not on the dock, so perhaps you've lifted it upstairs to start cleaning up there, when the robot's run out of charge, it will just return to that original spot where you started, and it won't be able to return to the dock to recharge itself. Once you've completed a few successful cleans, I'd also recommend it's time to start thinking about mapping your home with your robot. This enables more intelligent features and allows you to customize how you clean with your robot. If you'd like to find more information about your robot, then I recommend looking at the Using My Robot section on the Dyson Link app. I'd also recommend looking up the Dyson support web pages and the Dyson YouTube channel.